5 free AI tools that save you 10 hours a week. Imagine getting an entire day's worth of work done in just a few hours, without hiring anyone, without spending money, and without being a tech expert. Sounds impossible, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you 5 free AI tools that can literally save you around 10 hours every single week. These are tools that students, creators, business owners, and even complete beginners are using right now to work faster and smarter. We'll cover writing, sound designing, voiceovers, organizing your life, and even researching information instantly. And the best part, most of these tools are free to start. So if you want to save time and make life easier, tool number 1, ChatGPT First Up, is probably the most popular AI tool right now. ChatGPT by OpenAI. Think of ChatGPT like a super smart assistant that can help you write, brainstorm, explain things, summarize information, and even create content ideas in seconds. Let's say you're a student. Instead of spending 2 hours trying to understand a difficult topic, you can ask, explain photosynthesis in simple words. Or maybe you're creating YouTube videos. You can ask, give me 10 viral YouTube Shorts ideas. You can even ask it to write emails, create captions, make study notes, plan schedules, or generate business ideas. Normally, tasks like research, writing, or brainstorming can take hours, but ChatGPT can do the first draft in seconds. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you already have something to work with. That alone can save you multiple hours every week. Quick tip: the secret is asking better questions. Instead of saying, write something about fitness, try, write a motivational Instagram caption about beginner fitness for women. The more specific you are, the better the results. Tool number 2, Canva next, is Canva. If you've ever struggled with graphic design, thumbnails, presentations, posters, resumes, or social media posts, Canva makes everything ridiculously easy. Imagine you want to start a YouTube channel but don't know Photoshop. With Canva, you can drag and drop images, use ready-made templates, add text, and create professional thumbnails in minutes. You can also create Instagram posts, TikTok covers, business logos, flyers, invitations, and presentations. Now, Canva also includes AI tools. You can type, create a modern YouTube thumbnail for a cooking video, and Canva generates designs automatically. There's even an AI image generator inside Canva. Instead of learning complicated editing software for months, Canva lets beginners design things quickly. A task that once took 3 hours can now take 15 minutes. Quick tip: use Canva templates. Don't start from scratch unless you really want to. Templates save huge amounts of time. Tool number 3, ElevenLabs. The third tool is
Hey there,
ElevenLabs. This
Kaylee
tool
here,
creates
your go-to
realistic
for
AI
all things
voices, and
sales and
honestly,
Friday
some of
night
the
work
voices
drinks,
sound
bringing
almost human.
Life
Let's say you
without
want to make
love is like a
YouTube
tree
videos
without
but hate recording your voice. You can type your script into ElevenLabs, choose a voice, and it creates professional voiceovers instantly. People are using this for YouTube Shorts, storytelling channels, audiobooks, podcasts, tutorials, and faceless videos. Recording voiceovers can take forever. You make mistakes, you re-record, you edit. But with AI voiceovers, you can generate clean audio in minutes. Quick tip: don't make the voice too robotic. Choose natural voices and add pauses in your script so it sounds more human. Tool number 4, Notion AI next is Notion AI. If your life feels messy and disorganized, this tool can seriously help. Notion is like a digital workspace where you can organize notes, tasks, study plans, content ideas, schedules, and projects. Imagine you're planning YouTube videos. You can create a content calendar inside Notion. Then the AI can help summarize ideas, generate outlines, make to-do lists, and organize information automatically. For students, this is amazing. You can paste long lecture notes and ask Notion AI to summarize them into simple bullet points. Instead of searching through random notebooks, screenshots, or sticky notes, everything stays organized in one place. And the AI helps clean up information instantly. Quick tip: start simple. Don't try to build complicated systems on day one. Even a basic task list can make a huge difference. Tool number 5, Google Gemini. The fifth tool is Google Gemini by Google. Gemini is another powerful AI assistant, similar to ChatGPT, but it works really well with Google services. You can use Gemini to research topics, summarize articles, brainstorm ideas, write emails, and answer questions quickly. It also connects nicely with tools like Gmail and Google Docs. Instead of opening 20 browser tabs trying to research something, Gemini can summarize information for you in seconds. It's especially useful for students, writers, and busy people who need quick answers. Quick tip: always double check important information from any AI tool. AI is powerful, but it can still make mistakes sometimes. Bonus section: the real secret. Here's something important. These AI tools won't magically make you successful overnight, but they do remove a lot of boring, repetitive work. That means you can spend more time creating, learning, building skills, and actually taking action. So those were 5 free AI tools that can save you around 10 hours every single week: ChatGPT, Canva. If you start using even one of these consistently, you'll notice a huge difference in productivity. And the best part is, you don't need to be a tech expert to use them. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos about AI tools, online earning, content creation, and productivity. And comment below, which AI tool do you want to try first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.